Hey everybody, it's late April and I haven't gotten to pruning my Everbearing raspberries yet, so I'm going to get that done right now. Ideally you want to do the pruning before growth starts, but as you can see I have leaves out already. That's not going to cause me any great problems. Now the first thing I want to mention is these are Everbearing raspberries, which means that in the first year of the growth of a cane, which is called the primal cane, it will produce a crop. Usually late summer. In our area it's around late August going into September and sometimes even October. Whereas the summer bearing raspberries, they produce a primal cane the first year, and that's vegetative only. In other words, it doesn't produce flowers or fruits, and then it survives the winter, and the following year it will produce its one crop around July, and then it's finished. And those canes are removed after that. Now you have two choices in pruning them. If you want only one crop a year, what you can do is cut all of these canes right down to the ground. And then when the primal canes grow back, they will produce a crop in the late summer going into the fall. So that's fairly easy to remember. Just prune everything down after they produce in the fall or before they start growing in the spring and you're cool. Now the other option is if you want both of the crops, you'll notice on this cane here, you can see where it produced raspberries last year. So what I will do, if I want the summer crop, which will come in on July, I will prune this back to new growth. And in both cases, as the raspberries grow and the bed matures, your canes will start to fill in and it'll become very thick. So you want to have about 9 to 10 canes per square foot, and that's sufficient. And you want to pick the best canes, and of course you're going to remove anything that's dead or diseased, and that's pretty much it when pruning your Everbearing raspberries. After the pruning is completed, I need to fertilize. Ideally, again, you'd like to put down your fertilizer before growth starts, but it's still not too late. But before I fertilize, I need to get the weeds out. And then to prevent additional weeds from growing, I will put down a mulch. Well, that's it. It's short and sweet. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any ideas for future programs, please let me know. Well, that's it. Short and sweet. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any suggestions for future topics, please leave a note in the comments or email me at heilig@msu.edu. Thanks for watching. Bye.